Hey everybody, welcome to ClausenWorld. I was asked in a previous video about my gardening car pail or gardening car bucket. Y'all know I can't talk. I'm just not getting out the car. It's been a long day. And I thought to myself, you know what? Let me show you guys my car gardening emergency bucket. Because y'all might be interested in seeing what I carry around with me for when I jump out and liberate stuff, right? So come on, y'all. Let's go in the car. I hope y'all can see because my interior is black and it's kind of dark in here. I may need to pull it out of the car, but let's see if y'all can see. Y'all can see just fine. Now I am holding my camera, so this is real time. Let me pull out what I have in this pail. This is the pail that I carry around in my car. And I don't even know all what's in here, but we're gonna look and see. As you guys can see, I have some old boots. These are, let me take this out. These are some old boots that ended up getting a hole in them. So I said these will be great to be able to just jump out and retrieve some things from off the side of the road. So I got an old pair of boots. And let's see. This is a very thick, very plush kneeling pad because you just never know when you might need to kneel down on something. This is a container of water. This is about, I think, 64 ounces, and it has a big thing of water in it. It's full of water because you need to be hydrated when you're out there on them streets. I have just a pair of, y'all have to excuse the discoloration, but just a pair of slip-on shoes. And I have a pair of gloves, gardening gloves. And this is empty, so I gotta throw that away, but handy wipes, you need your handy wipes. I have to replace my handy wipes. And I have a trowel. Y'all can see it's dirty because I do use it. And as y'all can see, I've been throwing my paper towels in here. I took my plastic bags out because I need to replace my paper towels. This one is still wet, so I got to get rid of that because, I've been liberating some stuff. And I have a pair of shears. And this is a huge, see my bucket is dirty because I use it, y'all. This is a huge pail that I keep in the back of my car. It stays in here for when I need to liberate stuff. And just in case you guys or anybody was interested, I thought I would show you, let me put my stuff back in here, y'all. I thought I would show you what I carry around with me all the time, because you just never know whenever you're on the side of the road what you might need to liberate. And there are some things that you should, at least for me, as a gardener, these are things that I carry around with me because I'm always liberating something from somebody's backyard, from the side of the road. It's just, wherever I am, if I see something that I want, I generally get it. I ask or I don't. But this is my emergency gardening superwoman bucket. This is my kit, y'all. Sometimes if I know I'm going to do something serious, I have a bigger mini shovel that I will put in the back of the truck. But this is it. So if you guys are interested in making your own travel gardening super person kit, get you a little pail, load it up, keep it in your car, because you just never know when the opportunity will arise for you to help somebody out or to help yourself to something somebody has. All right now, I hope y'all enjoyed this quick video. I hope you make your own kit. And until the next time, bye for now. I almost forgot one thing. I took my grafting knife in the house, and it was actually sitting next to my shopping bag. Your freezer shopping bag, because it had a little pocket in it. So I had to remember I needed to put my grafting knife back in the car, because again, you just never know what you might end up running into when you're liberating some stuff. So this goes back into the bucket inside of the car. Just toss it in there like that. And that's my kit, y'all. Bye.